dialSpeed does not come with preset guest codes. To set a guest code, you must know the primary code or backup master code. Up to 3 guest codes can be stored, 1 each in the right, down, and left positions. Guest codes open the lock, but do not provide programming access. A guest code must be 4 to 12 positions long. To make guest codes more secure, it is suggested to use a code with a longer sequence that includes each of the 4 directions. To safeguard programming access for the primary code user, a guest code cannot match or start with the same sequence of the current primary code. For example, if the primary code is up, down, left, right, a guest code cannot exactly match or start with up, down, left, right. If such a guest code is attempted, the center button will flash pink, indicating it has been rejected. To learn how to set guest codes, go to the How to Add or Change Codes segment.